everyone, it's Karina. I am going to show you my website. So first off, I chose Little Dreamy Pals Rescue. It is a nonprofit dog or organization that's a dog rescue. I work at a veterinary hospital right now, so I just thought I'd pick something that I knew. With this, the main purpose is to get dogs adopted, get them off the streets, or get them out of shelters, like high kill shelters, and going ahead and either fixing their needs or getting them in homes that they will be better suited with. So right here I do have the About Us section. I'm just giving a brief description of what we do and how we do it. I have the adoptable animals section, just a little preview of what animals there are and kind of a little description about them. I do have our foster animals and making donations to help the organization go and help with costs with that. And then I do have the 2 forms to go ahead and get the users interested and everything like that. I do have our adoption and foster, and then a call to action, the donate section right here. And I did choose these colors, these blues and these yellows. The yellows I did choose in order to evoke happiness and cheerfulness, because it is a good thing, you know, getting all these pets fixed and ready to go live their best second life. And then I also did choose this dark blue to help evoke kind of a calming, soothing kind of feel to the website, so they didn't feel like they were pressured into anything. It wasn't a rash decision to do these rescues. But yeah, and then the part I did have fun with is just getting all these pictures and seeing it actually on here and looking really nice. I had fun making my logo and dealing with the menu bar. I really liked that. And then the hardest part was getting this button to come over to the center. I really wanted these buttons to come over, but I decided to keep them over there. But this button, it was hard to figure out which kind of, in the CSS, which position it was in, so I can overwrite that what the WordPress had it in. And so I did overwrite the position and dealt with that to move it from here to the center. So it was fun. But yeah, I really enjoyed this class, and I hope you guys did too.